Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of online tricks. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the information about YouTube pin. What are the threshold of getting the YouTube pin, how you get the YouTube pin, what are the notification you receive when you get the YouTube pin, and what is the minimum balance requirement for getting the YouTube pin, how much balance is required to have a YouTube pin, and what are the next steps when you get the YouTube pin. So all the information will be covered up in this video. So if you're interested in knowing the information about the YouTube pin, then this is the video. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel as well. So without wasting enough time, let's go straight forward and I'm going to tell you all the information about YouTube pin. If you're a YouTube user and you have a YouTube channel which is monetized and you're uploading videos on it regularly, so the first hurdle between you and earning money is YouTube pin. So the first question arises here: when will you get the YouTube pin? So let's go to the channel analytics, go to revenue. If your YouTube earning is of $10 for your lifetime, then you're eligible for YouTube pin. So as you can see that this channel has earned $10.05, so it means it is eligible for YouTube pin. So as you can see, there's a notification above there. She's saying that sign into your AdSense account to verify your identity. So it is asking me to identify my identity so that I can receive the YouTube pin. So let's go to AdSense account and verify our identity step by step. So I'm right now in the email which is registered with AdSense. So as you can see, I have received this email from AdSense. You need to verify your identity, Google AdSense. These are the steps he asking me to. So these are the points which they have asked me to take care of. Capture the entire document including R4 corner. Your image may result in account suspension. So these are the important points which you need to be considering while registering your address in AdSense account. So let's now verify. Ask my for my legal name, and now it's asking me for which option would I prefer. It said either I can upload driving license, passport, national ID card, or resident permit. So I'm going for the national ID card, as I've already scanned my national ID card pictures. So now I have uploaded my ID card back and front picture. So it is asking me for my address so that I can receive the parcel. I have applied the address, I have applied the city, postal code. Now let's just submit this. Go back to email. This, and as you can see, they're saying that my identity has been verified successfully. Your identity has been verified. Please sign into Google account and set as your primary method payment if you haven't done your data safety. I have already done that. So there you go. I have logged into my AdSense account. There you can see my balance is 9.02 here, but at my YouTube YT Studio it is 10. So it is important that you need to notice one thing, that the balance of your YouTube studio must be of $10, not the AdSense account. So as you can see, the dollar here is. So this is how you can verify your YouTube AdSense account once you save $10 in your YouTube studio. So if you have any more questions from this video, you can comment on below and let me know if anything confuses you. So if this video has been useful for you, like the video and comment below and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Take care. Bye bye.